Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a highly requested topic that many of you have been asking about, how to change your Snapchat username on your mobile device. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. The first thing you'll need to do is open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Ensure that you're logged in with the account you want to change the username for. Step 2 now. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now, look for the settings gear icon. It's located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. In your settings, you will see the username option. Simply tap on it. Step 3 now. Click on Change Username option. Here, Snapchat will inform you that your username can only be changed once a year. To proceed, hit the Continue button. This is where you can make changes to your current username. You can either remove your entire username and replace it with a new one or add some symbols to your existing one. Snapchat will let you know if the username you want is available by this username is free. Then click on Next button. Next, Snapchat will require you to confirm your decision by entering your password. This is a security measure to protect your account. Once you've entered your password, tap on the Confirm button and then click on Continue button to finalize the process. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your Snapchat username. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.